Well, hi, and welcome to Coffee with Chris. It is Hump Day. It is Wednesday, April 9th. We are the Front Porch located at 24 South Main Street in downtown Pennington, New Jersey. And today is a wonderful day. And let me tell you why. Because our dear friend Allie, our account executive from Brighton, is coming to town. So we are having an open house today, Wednesday, from 4 to 7. We are so excited about this. She's letting us, or she's helping us, or she's doing a trunk show for jewelry and handbags. You're going to get to see things that you haven't seen in the store, which is always very exciting. Plus, sign up early. You have to sign up early and you get an extra raffle ticket. Just remember that. And signing up early is before 4 o'clock. If you don't know how to do it, just call us, 609-737-0071. Text us on our store cell phone at 609-902-9200, or email us at sales@thefrontporchnj.com. Here's the deal. You register early, you get an extra raffle ticket. You bring a friend, you get an extra raffle ticket. You bring 2 friends, and we have a few of you that do that because you are so very supportive. You get an extra ticket for every friend you bring. Now, we're raffling off 2 gift cards for Brighton, 2 $50 gift cards for Brighton. That's just going in the raffle. Then, anyone who walks in the store between 4 and 7 and has 3 or more pieces of Brighton jewelry on, handbag, crossbody, sandals, shoes, you enter into a raffle for a $100 Brighton gift card from the Front Porch. We've been talking about doing something like that for years, and we just thought, you know what? I think this is going to be fun. So our events are getting to be like Cheers, where everybody knows your name. So please come out. You know, it's just, we talk about it. I talk about it with other stores. It is so great to get out and be with people. So, I think you're going to meet some of the nicest people you've ever met. Our customers are fabulous, and so is our staff. Okay, so let's talk about what's going on other than that, and that is a major event. A couple of weeks ago, we had Lori from Stonewall Kitchens here. She was sampling all kinds of things. So we weighed in on what you, those of you that came, liked, and we bought it. One of the items fell to the floor, so I'm going to grab it here. You liked these. Isn't the sun fabulous? You liked the seasoned sea salt pretzels. We brought them in for you. You liked, and I think Lil weighed in on these, the cheddar, is it Assaggio? I'm bad. Cheese sticks, really tasty. Might not be able to say it, but I like them, and I think this was a pick of Lil's. We also have the artisan oil and sea salt, love that sea salt, crackers. Dipping those in those jams and mustards, really great. Putting it on with a piece of cheese or honey from Savannah Bee. And last but not least, rosemary Parmesan crackers. And these were really great too. There really weren't any that you'd say, not, but we let you vote. You told us what you liked, and we brought them in just for you. All right, can't mess up Karen's Brighton display. I gotta keep it nice and tidy. She'll kill me, you know what I mean? All right, then let me just show you a few things. We got in the Bellini jam. And all I can say is people were really grazing around this table. Maine maple champagne mustard. Yours truly loves mustard anyway. And roasted garlic onion jam. And last but not least, red pepper jelly. Once again, these were all items that you said you liked. And then we got in, I love salsa, black bean salsa, and mango lime salsa. This was really good too. Now, we have the mixers. Remember, we have the margarita, we have the Bloody Mary, we have the espresso martini. Bloody Mary is spicy. I love spicy Bloody Marys. If you like a Bloody Mary that is spicy, you're going to really like that. Then, you had asked us, the other item you wanted us to bring in was a Cosmopolitan. So I just wanted to let you know, we brought in what they have, a pomegranate Cosmo mixer. These are really great because you know what's good? They give you 3 recipes. One of them is a virgin. The other 2, you add the alcohol. So they give you some ideas of different ways to either just relax and have something when you come home after a tough day, or if you're having people over, it's always kind of fun to have different types of cocktails to serve. Okay, so let's move on. Next, I showed this before, gonna just show it to you now just because it's that season when people are looking for things for those Easter baskets. And this actually was the #1 item at the toy show last year. This is the cutest little lovey. It can't be personalized, but it really is, as our Lynn would say, trying to get it, can you imagine? I'm trying to get it out of the sun. Super, super cute. Then, this is wild. This sun is just unbelievable. Let me see if okay, here we go. Yeah, I think I'm better here. Okay, now, the other item, and a lot of you saw this already on our email blasts, posted on social media. It happened over the weekend. It happened after I had done Coffee with Chris last Friday. Some Jelly Cat, the new Jelly Cat for the month of April, hit the house. One of the items that hit was the Bulldog, and the Bulldog was sold out. Basically, by the end of the day of receiving it, it was sold out. I'm hoping they will have that again. But I just wanted to show you, we still have a few of this little guy, if you're out there looking for a bunny, super cute. We just got that in. And we've got the little guys here. We got the little elephant and the little dog. These also would be great. These are even just great to put on the top of any package, because anybody, any age, we had all ages in here on Saturday buying these. Okay. And then 2 new Tales books. Everybody likes these. This is Jungly Tale, just came in, and Farm Tales just came in. Now, since we're kind of talking about those types of items, I just want to show you a few things. First of all, we know a lot of our girls like those scrunchies. Well, we have scrunchies. Just want to show you these. These are battery operated, and I don't want to turn them on because I went to take our sample. Somebody left it on so it doesn't light up. But these actually, the battery is very light and it lights up. So this would be kind of fun. Then I've been really having a good time with these pens. Really cute. Paying, I don't know how many of us write checks anymore, but just makes writing anything kind of fun with these soft little, of course, faux fur pens. We actually have one at the counter that I love using. Then we also have just a few of these barrettes left. Not many. You've really liked this, so I just want to show you what we have. Definitely call or text us if you think this is something you'd like to have for that special person on your list, because there aren't many left. Then we do have a few of the bead bracelet craft kits. Just want to show you these 2. This one is a butterfly. This one is a unicorn. And then, let me just show you this. These adorable little studs that are all different color bunnies are just great. And last but not least, these cute little, woo! I don't know what we're going to call these little guys, but we have a little frog. We have a little cat. Can't forget our cats. We have, ooh, Here's a little bulldog, a little bulldog. We have, a little kitten. This actually, I'll tell you, I think everybody likes bulldogs. Yeah, we have another bulldog. And last but not least, and pigs are also very popular, a pig. So, okay, I think that's it for now. I am so hoping that you can join us today from 4 to 7 for our Brighton event. We are really looking forward to it, and as always, we would really like to see you. So, have a wonderful rest of this day. Get out of the house and come see us, and we will look forward to seeing you on the next Coffee with Chris on Friday. Take care and be safe.